Hello everybody, so this is a short video to show you how to get started with Mastodon. So Mastodon is a replacement for Twitter, as you know, and with the recent news going on, it's probably a good time to have a second home in your app. So if you're a Java developer, you may have asked, how can I follow all my colleagues? And it can be very tricky to get started because there is no algorithm, there is no recommendations or something like this. And hey, here's the solution. We have javabubble.org, and javabubble.org gives you a good overview about all the people you might already know from the Twitter universe. So they have been brought all here collected by a volunteer, and he's still collecting, so you can join him and create a pull request and get yourself added to this list or whatever works for you. So anyway, so you click here on following CSV on the Java bubble. You can download your following CSV, and now the next step would be very easy. You go to Mastodon and you click on preferences. Then you go to import and export. Go to import. And then you can say, okay, import type is following list. Choose a file. Then you go to the place. Apologies for my messed up desktop here. You go to your place where you find a following CSV where you downloaded it. Click open. Please take care, so you make sure you're using merge and not override. Merge will keep your existing follows. Then you say upload, and then that's it. So it takes Mastodon a while. So it will merge your list with the existing ones, but after a while you can check and you will have a lot of more followers. So enjoy this, enjoy your new home, and well, welcome to Mastodon. See ya, bye.